So in a recent video of some model shop purchases, I picked up this Coronation Scott coach in the blue for a bargain price, £5, maybe just under. Great condition and boxed. And it's one of those things I said to myself, I'm going to look out for some more if they're at the right price. Anyway, luck would have it, days afterwards, Mick at Dome Trains of Stanley actually got in some more second-hand stock, and in amongst them was some more Coronation Scott coaches. And he was really good enough to contact me and let me know that they come into stock. As quick as I could, I've been down and I've gone and had a look and purchased said coaches, and this is where it gets interesting. So we've got this one here. This came in a different video that I picked up singularly on its own with some other items. I'm going to put that to one side, and this is where the shock factor kicks in. Now, just in case you think I'm doing any trick photography, I'm not. I have done it before in a YouTube shorts where I actually looped some of the carriages, but this is no trick photography. So what we've got here is we've got an unboxed standard composite LMS Coronation Scott coach. I'm going to put that there, and we have an unboxed Coronation Scott composite brake coach, like I said, unboxed. So we've got those two. Now we've got Coronation Scott coach brake boxed, Coronation Scott composite boxed, another composite boxed, another composite brake boxed, another composite brake boxed, composite, and another composite brake. Now I'm going to zoom out a bit. I'm going to put them all down flat and then we can have a look at it properly. So we've got our two unboxed coaches. We're going to try and see if I can get as many of these into the view as we can. So we've got a brake there, and we've got another brake there. We've got a composite there, composite brake, another composite, and I'm just trying to see. There we go. That brings it to a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Coronation Scott blue coaches. What are the chances of picking up one coach initially for a bargain price of say £5 or maybe just under £1 boxed, and then finding another 9? Absolute madness. Now I paid a little bit more for these ones, which I totally understand because most of them are boxed and they're in exceptionally good condition. I think I paid roughly around about £8 a coach. That is still an absolute steal for these coaches. At the moment on auction websites and on second-hand stalls and things, even at a recent model train show I went to, when you saw these, they were ranging between the £15 and the £20 mark, and if they were in the free packs they were even more money. I still can't get over the fact that after buying one I now have 10. If you're a regular viewer to the show and you know I like to pick up a bargain, do you think this is a bargain? I'm pretty sure it's a bargain. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely indebted to Mick at Dome Trains of Stanley. The fact that when I picked up the first one, I had mentioned, well, if you get any more in, let me know, get in contact. And within a matter of days, another 9 turned up. It's not all I bought, but another 9 turned up. And I have now got 10 of these coaches. So there's only one problem that I can see, and I think it's going to have to wait a little bit because I really don't think I can afford it right now. But we need a locomotive. We're going to need Princess Coronation locomotive streamlined in the blue. If you've got any ideas as to what ones have been released that Hornby have produced that you think I should maybe go for, please get into the comments and let me know. I'm going to put them on the track so you can see them all running, and I'm going to pick a locomotive. That's all I can really do because we haven't got one relevant for these. But I'm going to pick a locomotive and I'll stick it on and you can see them all running around. At the end of the day, I really thought I needed to share this with you, that bargains are out there. They can be found, and not everything revolves around certain auction websites. I think that a lot of the prices on certain auction websites are massively inflated. I really do think they are massively inflated, especially at the moment. These should have come down in price anyway, because with the correct Coronation Scott coaches that have been released by Hornby, these now have become second to those. I know they're not necessarily prototypically correct, but They are really, really nice, and there's no trick photography, I assure you. They're all there. You can see the other two just lying there unboxed. The two unboxed ones, I've started cleaning them because they were unboxed. They've got bits of dirt on them and things like that, but these are actually in really, really, really good condition. There's only one coach that has an issue, and I've already purchased the spare part. I'll bring it up. I can see it on here on camera. Someone's had some sort of accident with the end here where the corridor is. Now these are actually very easily obtainable from Peter's Spares, and one has already been ordered, so that will be getting changed. Let me know if you want me to do a video on stripping these down and actually doing that repair, because it's a simple enough job, but if you haven't done one and you're not too sure, I'll certainly do a video of that. But this is the only one that has any significant damage of any sort. It's repairable. It's repairable, and we now have 10 of these coaches. Absolutely astounded. Hats off to Mick. Thank you for getting in touch with me and letting me know that these were available and they had come in. Remember, support your local model shop. Get in there, especially if you've got a good relationship with them. If they know that you're looking for something and something comes in, they are more likely to contact you if they have your details. And to be honest, I think you do find a lot of good deals at the model shops with second-hand goods. At the moment, model railways are really quite expensive, the various parts, and I'll be honest, I don't think I'll be buying a locomotive for these really soon, to be honest, because there are a lot of upcoming items that are brand new that are coming very, very soon, and quite frankly, they're going to deplete funds. But there you go, 10 Coronation Scott coaches. Let me know if you've ever had a find like this before. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.